All right, now we're going to talk about the air purge valve. This is a valve that works in conjunction with the diesel DOSER, which is a valve that's mounted normally behind the turbo, and it injects diesel into the exhaust stream to help the DOC achieve correct temperature, and then that in turn brings the face of the DPF up to temperature around 1200 degrees, give or take, and then that starts the cleaning process of the DPF. But this air purge valve gets its air right here, and it normally, depending on the manufacturer type of truck, but normally it'll get its supply from either the air tank or right off the air dryer. If you have a restricted dryer, if you have a dryer that maybe is slow on the secondary, you're going to have problems here, and you might have codes here. We've seen guys, they'll go through and they'll replace this valve, they'll replace the diesel doser valve, they'll replace the fuel block, and come to find out that they got either an air leak from the dryer to this valve, or they got a bad dryer, and that's why they're getting that code for the air purge valve. And what this does, this gives it a shot of air to the diesel exhaust fluid, the diesel fuel valve behind the turbo, to clean it out and get it ready for it to start doing its job. Anyway, purge valve, remember, if you get a code, first thing you want to do is check it, make sure you're getting good air supply. What I do is I put a gauge and I see if I'm getting truck pressure, 100 plus psi, and if so, then we're good to go. And also, like I said, if you got a kink line, restricted line, or an air leak on this supply line, you're not going to get it, and then you're going to have a problem, because the fuel block has pressure sensors that'll see the fluctuation in the pressure. It doesn't know why, but it just knows that it's not getting what it wants, and it'll throw a code. Thanks for watching.